Hello.
Stretchy, yeah.
Yeah, let me put my flippers on, boss. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to go snorkeling and swim with some turtles. I'm currently walking backwards because I have flippers on. That's the only way. It's a fucking scorcher. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's already boiling hot. But look at where we are. Absolute paradise. Now, hopefully today we're going to get to see some turtles. We were guaranteed them, so I'm really excited. Let's go. friendly. Like he just, I don't know how much you can hear this because of the microphone actually, but he's super friendly. He's literally just swimming right up to us, like coming right to our faces. He's not scared. It's crazy. What a fucking experience. Woo! That was sick. It says they do like a dolphin swimming, so maybe I'll try and do that as well. That would be okay. Now to get some breakfast. Hello guys from the beautiful Marissa, Sri Lanka. Currently my new home. I have started the volunteering job and I will be here for the next 4 weeks. So if any of you in Sri Lanka want to come and have a party with me or have a beer with me, then come to Why Not Hostel in Marissa. And if you come and see me and say you're my subscriber, I will buy you personally a drink myself. So yeah, today we are going to go to Weligama with all of the other volunteers of the hostel. We're going to maybe do some surfing, we're going to drink some beers on the beach, and we're going to check out what Weligama is, what's happening over there. It's a little bit busier than where we are in Marissa, but it's meant to be absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to get some cash out now, and then we're going to jump on the bus, get some beers, get some breakfast, and have an epic day. So yeah, join us. Oh, disco bus. Sorry. Alright guys, welcome to Weligama. Known for its surfing and its beach clubs. It's a little bit more built up than Marissa. We're going to start in Kai Beach Club. Going to grab ourselves a quick beer and hit the beach. We have some new characters to unlock. Hello guys, how are you? Okay guys, so we're going to set up camp here. We're going to grab some food, grab some beers, have some sunbathing, probably jump in a nice pool, and then probably go jump in the ocean. So yeah, definitely a cool vibe here. Yes. So I've just seen that they have a plunge pool, so we're going to go do it. Here we go. Guys, we have some new characters to unlock. Just introduce yourselves. BJ.
Holly.
And then we're going to go do the plunge for your entertainment.
We could just splash instead.
We can do that later.
I'd rather break it.
It's PG. It's PG for now. PG for now. Backflip! Gracious. You're up. Alright guys, we got ourselves some food, a nice little hummus bowl with a nice beer in a nice club. Ah, here he comes. Alright guys, well, we've just been chilling there for about 2-3 hours. It was very nice. I thought I'd come and show you the beach. So Weligama Beach, very famous for surfing. As you can see, the waves are really good. And all you've just got loads of surfboard rentals all down here. And all down there as well. It's a very good beginner beach here. And then you can go to a few different places along the coast. The waves get bigger and better. So. Very cool place. We are in the process of trying to prepare for a Halloween party. So it's on Thursday. Hopefully this vlog will be out before then. But we are going to go into town in a minute. We're going to try and find some decorations. And yeah, apparently it's impossible to find, but we're going to see what we can get. Maybe we'll just dress up like ghosts or something. I don't know. But yeah, so we're just on a bit of a strip at the moment. You've got the Marriott Hotel. You've got a couple of beach clubs everywhere. But yeah, it's just a pristine beach really. It's very clean. It's very nice. I'm definitely going to have to come and do some surfing here at some point. But today is just a chill day. And yeah, we'll go into town and have a look at what town's got to offer. Alright guys, as we're walking down the strip now, you can see that everywhere we go is surfing, surfing, surfing. Weligama is the place for surfing. If you want to come, come. So all of these are surf lessons. I think you can rent a surfboard for about 500 rupees, which is only a couple of quid. And then you can pay about $20 to $10 for a surf lesson. You can definitely haggle it. I know I've been offered multiple different prices, so there's definitely room for haggling. Hello. No, thank you. And on the other side, you've got loads of just bars and restaurants. Yeah, it's very built up place, very touristy. Marissa's a little bit more quieter, but they're both equally just as beautiful. Okay guys, so we've just turned off the main section of the beach and now we're walking inland. It's a lot more built up, a lot more like small town city vibes. But we're actually looking for some sort of shop to buy some Halloween goods. Apparently it's an impossible find here in the south of Sri Lanka, but we are going to go see what we can find. Thank you. Is this? Oh, you just stick a rubber ring around you and that's your outfit. Right. Up here. Going into a baby shop to try and find masks. We're trying to find it. Have we got? Has he showed you already? Huh? Oh, for fuck's sake! I knew it was going to be that. No. Playboy. Oh, maybe I can have this one. Yeah. Okay. The last place we went had COVID-19 fucking face masks. This place has actually got some sort of mask. And they've actually got little bits of bobs actually. Let me see. This is scary enough, isn't it?
Mm. Which one you want the color?
Not so. This one. Yeah. How do I look? Do I look good? Mm. I look like some bondage. Okay. Okay, guys. Potential Halloween mask has been acquired. We will make it more scary. But this is so far the only thing we can buy in Marissa or Weligama. So we're going to keep moving on and see if we can find someone else. Every time we go in, we're asking for a mask. They keep thinking we're like, COVID mask, COVID mask. I'm like, no, mask, mask, mask. There's just loads of shops and they're all selling the same stuff, like every single one of them. I have no idea how this place makes money. Same stuff, clothes, gadgets, crap. Toys, gadgets, crap. Clothes, gadgets, crap. It's just the same shit. We got best quality mask. Oh, what do we got? Oh, we got fucking gorillas. Nice. Oh, that's good.
This one is cool.
Oh, we've actually found something. Oh, nice. Money heist. What's that one, a gorilla?
Yeah, we got gorilla, we got tigers. Gorilla.
Alright, this is much better. I can paint myself green, or we can be money heist. Okay, so we've made a decision that we are all going to be money heist people, and we're going to do like a toga, red toga, and wear these money heist masks. And we've got some water pistols as well, so we can be like the money heist cast, but in Sri Lankan style. Thank you. Okay, these legends have sorted us out. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Come again.
What's your shop called?
Huh?
What's your shop called?
Lucky Lanka Weligama.
There you go. If you need masks, guys, come to this shop, or any of this. Anything you need here. Anything you need. Make sure. See you later, guys. Thank you. Okay, mission has pretty much been successful. We got some balloons. We're going to get red flowery shirts, and we're going to be like a beach style money heist. So yeah, we managed to find something. So hopefully we can just need customers now, and we're going to hopefully throw a nice little Halloween pool party. But until then, that's going to be the end of today's vlog. It's getting late now. So yeah, see you on the next one.